My new light just came for the third time. We're gonna try this again. We'll give this another shot. We'll see what happens. If we have another issue again, I swear to goodness, I'm freaking out. So, as much as I would love to illuminate this entire scene with just candlelight, I don't think it's practical. So, we're gonna do it with the lights and the lights. Good news though, I did actually get the brand new lights that I ordered to replace the broken lights that I already had. But we're good though. You know, we're not going to focus on the bad. We're going to focus on the new. And I want to focus real quick on these candles I have here from the luxurious Soul Luxurious. Thank you, Miss Rashonda Shine Lightner, for these soy candles. We got two here. The first one will be Black Sea. It's a handcrafted in Los Angeles, 100% soy candle. The second is going to be Frankincense and Myrrh, also from Los Angeles, 100% hand scented and done. They smell fantastic, they look fantastic, and they give just a good feeling and vibe to the entire space. So, what are you reading?
Oh, I'm reading Lulu is a Rhinoceros.
Oh, it's a good book.
Yes, it's a good book.
Hey, smell this. What do you think?
It smells nice.
Okay, hold up. Stay here. Okay, smell this one. What do you think?
I like that one better.
You like this one better?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's very candly.
Frankincense and myrrh.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
It goes good with my bulldog literature.
Bulldogs. Oh, also, side note, they give you get like the matches with their logo and stuff on it, which I think is super fantastic, super dope. Okay, so real quick, I want to make this backspace look a little better. I think it's kind of dull. So I'm going to do that. But check this out. My buddy, can't say his name, but his initials are JW, gave me this Gourmet tea maker thingamabob. And I'm gonna set this thing up and make some tea. And then I'm gonna show you all this amazing tea from another buddy of mine, Ramad, who has a tea company. So I'm gonna make some tea with this tea maker as I set the background up. It's cool with you guys. We can do that together. We can hang out. You can just watch, you know, and we'll get back talking to simplicity of life. All right, cool beans. Let's make it happen. Oh, and also the shirt, some Sacred Melanin. I think you should get yourself one. I think it's a cool looking shirt. I think I look great in it. What do you think? Fantastic? Yeah, I am. Yes, I know I look good. But yeah, get you a shirt. Okay, what do you think? Don't know yet. So these are artificial trees my mom got me a long time ago because I can't keep things alive. And I'm not sure. Let's see. Do I look level? Better. Let's talk about this tea. Here's that Gourmet thing. Oh, if you were wondering what it looks like, there's like this right here. It looks super dope. Stay focused. All right, good. Looks super dope. And then like has like suction cups on the bottom. So it does like, it's like a Gourmet. Super dope. I don't know how much the thing costs, but it looks fantastic. And the tea comes out pretty good. Now, this is my solo cup right here of the, the tea I'm drinking. So, this is what I'm drinking here. This is Buddha's Breath tea from the folks over at Hill Tea. It's a Washington, D.C. based brand, and I love that. This dude and I went back to high school. So when he started a tea company about 5 years ago, I made sure I drank some of the first samples, and it was fantastic. So now he's back in business, and I decided to grab a couple more because I like tea. You all know this. I love tea. So the ingredients of this one here in Buddha's Breath are peppermint, eucalyptus, licorice root. Oh, that's that taste. Oh, my God. Yeah. Lemon balm, marshmallow leaf, nettle, and spearmint. Love it. Love it. So I'm not going to act like I didn't already open this up. I tore this thing to shreds. And so you're wondering, this is me looking at me right here. So it's me looking at me. That's how I do this. Boom. It's a sample pack, and it came with loose leaf tea, which is my personal favorite because, you know, I have like tea machines and I like tea stuff. And then I have 2 tea bags here, giggity, that I'm going to use on the go. So I'll probably keep these. I was going to take them somewhere. I'm going to take these are for me. But yeah, so these things are dope. I love them. He has like 2 other ones. But as of right now, they're only doing the samples for the Buddha's Breath, which is a little heartbreaking for me. But I'm confident I'll get some more. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Like that licorice root really kicks. Like that's what gets me. So the smell I was getting when I was running this thing was that eucalyptus. I could smell the eucalyptus and like that mint. Oh my god, that mint mix. There's peppermint and spearmint in here, which is dope. But that licorice root gives this kick. Oh man, that's a good kick. That's a good kick. Oof. All right. Let's just get back to the actual conversation at hand when it comes to soap, right? This is black soap. This is Dove soap. Here's the thing. I've used Dove soap numerous times in my life. I've used it recently. I've used it far away. I had to wash when I had to wash. The one thing about this Dove soap is I don't like the fact I don't know what any of these words on the back are, except for water. Out of all these ingredients, water and fragrance, perfume are the only 2 I know. But on our soap, because I think our soap's amazing, raw African black soap right here. 4 ingredients: cocoa pod ash, plantain skin ash, palm oil, and water. It's that simple, very simple, straight to the point. I believe having and living a simple life with simple ingredients, simple happiness, simple joy are the keys to a good life. That's one of the things I try to maintain here when it comes to my life, when it comes to business, keeping things as simple as possible. All right? Keeping things simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Yeah, that's it. It's hot in here. But yeah, that's the thing. Simplicity is the key. Like the reason why black soap is so good, in my personal opinion, is because it does not clog your pores. It does not give your skin unnecessary chemicals, right? Those unnecessary chemicals that do an amazing job of really backing up your skin, causing blackheads, give you issues. Something like this is a dependent. What happens is you use it, it clears you up for a second, and then you have an issue again, and it keeps on happening. Our soap is meant so you use it, you get rid of it, and you don't never use it again. If you don't ever want to buy our soap, you're going to have to use it one time and it worked, that's totally fine. I'm okay with that, all right? Because it means we'll be able to talk to someone else that has the same issue as you, and we can make it happen for them as well, right? We don't want you to be dependent on our soap, right? I don't want you to have to buy this in order to maintain your good looks. I want you to use it, get those good looks, and keep it moving. It's all about simplicity. Simplicity is the key to life, and that is something I truly believe in. If you want to get rid of your acne, try black soap. You want to get rid of dark spot, try black soap. You want to unstink it, black soap. You want to do anything about yourself, enhance your skin in any way, shape, or form, start with black soap. I'm always asked, what's my skincare routine? Mike, what's your skincare routine? Mike, what's your skincare routine? Mike, how do you take care of your skin? It's simple. I wash my face with soap. That is majority of all I do. I wash my face with some black soap. I may throw in some butter if I'm feeling a little dry, and that's it. And I'm always oiling my beard because you must respect the mane. Right? Just respect the mane. Real quick plug on this one. This shirt right here, boom. Supports ALS, right? Buddy of mine, he does an amazing job of promoting our products. A great brand ambassador for a lot of bearded brands, and this was a shirt he was selling, and I had to get it. And if I'm not mistaken, I also have the patch right here too. Yeah, I got his patch. Bearded. So I got to figure out what's a Velcro patch. We'll put on something, right? This is Corporal of the Beard. I love it. It's fantastic, and I recommend you highly take a look at him. His information is also linked below. Take a look, right? It's a great guy, loving guy, and all about good cause. All right, let's try this other shot again. Another brick. God damn it, who's at my door? Nobody's at my door, whatever. But yes, simplicity is the key, right? Black soap is the key. Everyone always wonders why black soap is so good. It's because it is simple. That's it, it's simple, right? I'm talking to somebody now in Ghana that makes black soap with 2 ingredients. You know how excited I am about that? 2 ingredients? It's fantastic. 2 ingredients. Fantastic. Okay? The simpler, the better. The more complex, I'm not really for it. I'm not vibing for it. So, do me a solid favor. Try some black soap out. We got some. We have like 50 bars left. Just buy a bar. If you don't like it, you don't like it. You don't give it away to somebody else. But I guarantee you're going to fall in love with it because it's so simple. It's going to get rid of all your bad juju. All right, a simple life is a good life. Keep that in mind. Let's talk about some other stuff. I know I got some more shirts to swap into, so let's do that. Let me turn this fan on. Oh my God, I'm catching the vapors. Catching the vapors. It's hot. Oh. So I got 3 shirts here, it looks like. 1, 2, 3. From UNU Heritage. So, UNU Heritage. Huh. Now, this one here is a RBG Africa short sleeve shirt for youth. Boss. I got one here for crew neck youth, extra small. Also boss. And then a, let's see what this one says. Hold up. This one's men's large. And I'm a husky boy medium these days. So here's their card. Oh, focus. We should do that. Ha! This is dope. That's dope. I love black women. I like that. Nice. They got the logo on the side. Dope. So let me throw this thing on. I don't know, you guys can't see it though. And then we got the crew neck here. So this is BGM Youth Extra Small Black Girl Magic. So, well, I know who's getting this one. This is going to go to Amina. You all know Amina. She has been numerously plastered all over Instagram and stories. So Amina is getting this one big time because this is dope. I don't have a daughter on the way, so she can't get this, but I think Amina can fit it. Actually, let me call Alexis. She's going to try it again. She didn't answer the first time, so we're just going to try a second time. Just see what happens. I'm out of tea. Okay, so we're just gonna move past that then. So this one's gonna go to Amina, big time, big sure. Sure she can fit that. And then this one here is the RBG Africa short sleeve shirt. This was a youth medium. Ooh, it's like a moisture wicking shirt too. Oh, Boss Maker's getting this one, big time. This is dope. This is dope. Nice. So this is definitely, this is even too big for Boss, but it doesn't matter because he's gonna rock it and it'll be, we might have to save it for a little bit. Okay, so I was able to get my hands on one Boss. So I'm gonna show you all real quick. Him in the shirt. It's a little big. I'm sure you all can see it's a little big on him, but it's okay. So do one quick review of this Boss here. Just gonna sit this one. Yep, just gonna over there. There you go, buddy. There you go. See that? There you go. So we got one Boss here. You all right, buddy? So we got one full-size Boss. Okay, we're just gonna pull him up a little bit. Yeah, so we got one Boss, one full-size Boss here. What's up the, you good, buddy? Okay, you good? All right. Your mom just showed up. Is that why you're acting up? Is that why you're acting up, buddy? Because your mom showed up? Yeah. Yeah, you are. All right, let's go. So yeah. One full-size Boss in the shirt. Perfect timing, Christine.
Thank you.
Always perfect timing.
Was it always right?
What's my favorite number?
Christine?
It's fair. All right, buddy. You want to go to your mom? Here you go. Oh, you just want to touch my stuff. Yeah, all right. Thank you so much. Whew. It's just my luck that I swapped out a black shirt for a black shirt. All right, where was I? Missed. That's a brick. Okay, we're talking about soap though, right? So let's actually get to that part.